I had a very good experience here, and you can see the result. It's like amazing. I would say they are the best. Hi, my name is Dushyant. I'm here for fourth PRP today. I got to know about Medlinks via Instagram only. Like I searched a lot and I got to see many results over the page, and I booked my appointment here and met Dr. Gaurang here, and post post that I decided to got my hair transplant done, and it was like I thought it is a very painful procedure, but like here it wasn't that painful. Their team is very supportive and they reply your messages and all very instant, and it's very easy to communicate with the team and all. I had a very good experience here, and you can see the result. It's like amazing. If anyone looking for hair transplant and hair treatment, I must say they should come here and get their the treatment done. I would say they are the best. Thank you.